Michelle with the Singing Baker, and today I'm going to take you to Morocco. So today we're going to have a taste of Morocco. I'm going to be making some Moroccan meatballs with some yogurt sauce. So we first start off with our yogurt sauce. It'll be about a half a cup of yogurt, some fresh mint and fresh cilantro, and we're going to blitz it in the food processor here. You can certainly use a blender as well for that. And then afterwards we're going to be making our meatballs. I like to use ground lamb if I can find it. If you cannot find ground lamb, you can most certainly substitute ground beef for it. And then we're going to be mixing a bunch of spices into the lamb as well. So I'm going to be putting the recipe in the link below, so make sure you check that out and get all your ingredients ready. To our lamb, we're going to be mixing some fresh garlic, some cilantro, some red wine vinegar, paprika, cumin, ground coriander, and some salt and pepper, and then we'll just broil them in the oven. So we're going to start off with our yogurt sauce first. I'm putting about a cup of plain yogurt in here, and then I'm going to mix it with a half a cup of fresh cilantro and a half a cup of fresh mint. And the fresh mint smells wonderful. So when I go ahead and process this, I'm not going to puree it, I'm just going to basically pulse it so that we still end up with a white sauce with some green speckles throughout. Let me go ahead and get this started. It only takes a minute or so, and then we'll put that in the fridge to cool. That's perfect. So we're just going to take our yogurt and put it in this nice bowl, and then I'm going to set it in the fridge to keep cool while we get started on our meatball mixture. So now that we have our yogurt sauce done, I have that cooling in the fridge, and I'm going to be starting my meat mixture. So I have a pound of ground lamb, I have all of those beautiful spices, I have some fresh cilantro chopped up as well as red wine vinegar, and I'm also going to be adding fresh garlic. So 2 cloves of fresh garlic here. Just going to smash these and chop them up quickly to add to our meat. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I'm glad to see you again. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I basically post a lot of recipes on here that you can use for entertaining, appetizers, cocktails. I will also occasionally post a fun cake video for you or a video in regards to music. I am a musician on the side. I'm in a couple different choirs, so I do post fun videos having to do with my music for fun. I just added my garlic. I'm going to be adding red wine vinegar, the fresh cilantro, and all of my spices. So we're going to be making our meatballs now. You want to make them about 1 inch in size. That way they're nice bite-sized pieces when you go to put them on some skewers. So I'm going to go through that and get all our meatballs done. So I'm all done forming all of my meatballs. It smells beautiful in here with all of those spices, and it's not even cooked yet. So I'm going to get it into the broiler. I'm going to broil it for about 7 or 8 minutes. Maybe halfway through I'm going to jiggle the pan around just to make sure that it all cooks evenly. But you want to have the baking pan about maybe 3 to 4 inches from the heating element, just so it gets a nice little broil on there. Okay? So I am in the process of skewering all of my meatballs. I'm putting about maybe 3 or so on each skewer, and I get about the 4 to 6 inch skewer at the store. So I'm still working on skewering them, but they smell so amazing that I just have to try one now. So we have this beautiful yogurt sauce that we made earlier, and just gonna get a little bite here. So when you're serving it, you can just put the sauce on the side, and people can go ahead and dollop a little bit of sauce on their meatball skewer. Definitely tastes like Morocco. You can taste all of the spices, the meatball with the spices is nice and warm, and then you have that cooling from the yogurt. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I have more videos coming your way. Take care.